Excuse me?
This place?
I think you are Mugdha, right?
Yes.
So, Mr. Mugdha, you are learning spoken English, right?
Yes.
So, what have you learned from level 1 and 2, please?
I learned many things from level 1 to 2. I learned how to say yes, no, greeting, addressing, and I learned some conversations. I learned uh, I learned different kinds of fibers. And from level 2, I learned many things. Like I learned some spoken English standard grammars. I learned fibers. I learned some two talk shows. The talk shows topic are importance of learning English and the main drawbacks.
Was it helpful?
Yes, absolutely. It's
How
very
do you
helpful.
say that it is helpful for you?
Absolutely, it's helpful for me. In my daily life, when I converse with my foreign friends, means Spain friend, it's very important for me. When I chat anyone in Facebook or Messenger, English spoken English helps me very much. And when I talk to my friends, it's very useful for me. For taking jobs job by Hivas is very important for me.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for joining this part.